your bone is not enough.
So here is the buds. You can see the Galaxy Buds 2. And this one plays around 5 to 20 hours playtime, and it's a comfortable fit, and it has an active noise cancellation. So let's unbox this. And also I got the black version. So here's the buds. Let's open this. It's smooth. So first of all, here in the box we cannot see anything, so we're gonna keep this inside. And first we're gonna open this one. You can guess what's inside here. So this is the instructions and manuals. We don't need this, no one needs it. And we can see the buds over here, and here is the accessories. And here is a charger. It's a USB type C to USB type A. And finally, there's nothing in this box, so here is the buds. So I ordered the black, but I didn't expect it to come in a white case. Here's the buds, and the interior is black, and the outside is white. And here you can see Samsung, and there's a light outside and inside, and it's sounded by AKG. So this is small compared to the first gen headphone. So here is the first one. It's big, and it has a almost rectangular case, and this one has like the square one. And if you take this out, you can like, this is way smaller, and it looks comfy. And there's no side things right here, and also it has touch here and noise cancellation. So the exterior looks more premium, and no matter what color you choose, it always comes in white, and it's so cool. It feels so premium, and you can see the port to charge, and also looks like it also has wireless charging right here. So let's connect this. So here I have the S21 Ultra. Just gonna connect it. So when I open this, it should work. I'm just gonna hit connect. So the earbuds have 44% charge, so I need to charge it. Alright, next what you do is you download the wearable app and you connect to it. Then they're gonna ask you to update a lot of stuff, so you do that stuff, and that's it. In order to turn on the noise cancellation and the ambient mode, you must put the buds in your ear, then only it works. You don't need the app to control the noise cancellation and the ambient mode. You can do that from your buds by pressing for like 3 seconds. So one cool feature that I like about this buds is the ambient mode. You literally can hear what other people are saying and you're saying. So imagine if you're listening to music and you want to also hear someone, like if you're in school, you can also use that mode. It's really helpful. One cool thing about the app is that you can control everything. So if you want to raise the volume, you just need to tap it once. You can adjust that kind of stuff, and you can also check if that buds fit in your ear. There's like a mode for that. It was a great experience unboxing it. Now I'm gonna try them and let you guys know how it sounds. Alright, not gonna lie, this sounds so great. It feels like the singer is in my room. I love the ambient mode. The only bad thing is that the noise cancellation doesn't work properly. I'm not sure if that's just for me, but it doesn't sound great to me. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.